Welcome to our video on Splitwise, a unique app designed to make splitting expenses easy. Whether you're sharing costs with roommates, planning a group trip, or splitting a dinner bill, Splitwise takes the trouble out of sharing expenses. It tracks your debts, shares bills, and ensures everyone gets paid back. Stay with us as we delve into the details of this ingenious app. Splitwise offers several impressive features. It allows you to split expenses in various ways, equally by percentages, by shares, or by exact amounts. The app keeps a running total of who owes whom, and you can settle up at any time. It also sends reminders for unpaid debts. Plus, it supports different currencies, making it perfect for international travel. And with its fairness calculators, it even helps solve debates over what's fair. Splitwise operates on a freemium model. The basic version is free and fully functional, but they also offer a pro version for $1.99 per month. The pro version offers additional features like expense search, save default splits, convert currencies, and more. It also removes ads and provides priority customer support. However, the free version is sufficient for most users. Splitwise is ideal for a variety of scenarios. It's perfect for roommates sharing rent and utilities, friends splitting the bill at restaurants or during trips, and couples who want to share expenses. It's also great for event planning, like parties or group vacations, where expenses need to be divided among participants. And with its multi-currency support, it's perfect for international travel or when dealing with foreign currencies. Splitwise has many advantages. It simplifies the process of splitting expenses, making it transparent and fair. It eliminates confusion and arguments about who owes what, and reminders ensure debts are paid on time. The app also simplifies record keeping, and the ability to comment on expenses helps clarify any misunderstandings. Plus, it's user-friendly and supports different currencies. Despite its advantages, Splitwise has some limitations. It doesn't handle complex transactions well, like when someone pays only part of a bill. It also doesn't integrate with any financial institutions, so you can't directly link your bank account or credit card. Plus, while the app sends reminders, it doesn't enforce payments, so it relies on the goodwill of users to settle debts. In summary, Splitwise is a powerful tool for managing shared expenses. It's user-friendly, versatile, and supports multiple currencies. It has a few limitations, but for most people, the benefits far outweigh the downsides. Whether you're sharing expenses with roommates, planning a group trip, or splitting a dinner bill, Splitwise makes the process easy and fair. Thank you for watching our analysis of Splitwise. We hope you found it informative and useful. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more insightful videos. Thank you and take care.